No? Yeah, GoPro. You want to see a wheelie? Yeah. Let's go. Yo gang, what is up? It's your boy Lars, aka Motor Bro. We're currently leaving our beautiful Airbnb near Santa Marta, and we're going to Minka. Look, we're all packed up with the boys. Got the wine, I got my freaking sun protection, I got Doritos, got the water, we got the bags, and we are ready to rock and roll, bro. Like, the setup looking a little rough, I ain't gonna lie. A little tilted, but we'll make it work. Alright, later. We are off to Minka now. A dope spot in the mountains. But bro, this Airbnb was super cool. I mean, it felt super safe there. Like, even this whole area outside here, I didn't really feel like it was unsafe at all. It might look a little crazy, but my bad. But yeah, it might look a little crazy and rough, but like, that's just Colombia, man. The people here are awesome so far. Like, we haven't really had any bad interactions with like the locals, so can't complain at all. And now we are off, brother. So yeah, let's see what happens on this road trip. Hopefully we don't get lost. Hola. Hopefully we don't get lost and can mob out. Oh, it's a little bumpy. We're heading to the Airbnb right now. And yeah, this is the road. This is the road to the Airbnb. Let's go. This is fire. So sick, bro. It's like, bro, when do you get to experience stuff like this, man? It's rare, bro. So you really gotta freaking enjoy it. All right, we're still on the way to the Airbnb. I don't know how high this freaking house is in the mountains, but we are literally we're going vertical right now. If you can't tell. They said it was up here. But we are up here right now. What's up, doggy? Oh! Yo, what a spot though, bro.
Oh, bro, wait till you go inside.
Which one is it? This one? Oh, fuck yeah, dude. Bro, so sick. Holy.
Uy, marica, mira. Ah, sí, mira el gonorrea.
Little Willie, baby. Okay. Oh, you? Oh, I could, yeah. Yeah. Not now, we gotta go. I gotta go. Adios. That's awesome, bro. Shout out the homies. I had to pull a little wheelie for them. I was talking to the homies. They wanted me to do a wheelie. I said, bro, it's so bumpy. I did a little one, but yeah. Felicia.
No dice nada.
Yeah, I do it.
No dice nada, no.
No?
No.
Yeah, GoPro. You want to see a wheelie?
Dale aquí.
Yeah. Let's go. You too? Solo, yeah. Yo, as you can see, shout out homie and shout out that chick because she was cute as hell. Let's go. Let's go! Muy bueno! Bro, it's so sick just ripping these roads. Hitting some wheel skis. Alright, look at the view though. Holy shit. We're really out here. Really fucking out here. Hold that bit up right here. To the where? We're going, I think, to like a sunset spot. Okay, we follow you. Hey, how far? How long? De donde? Like 5 minutes? 5 minutes, oh, okay. Yeah, this is so sick. Bro, I'm not sure where we're going right now, but I think this is the right way. Bro, look at all these freaking bamboo trees. Holy crap. They're everywhere. Oh. Here? Yeah. Wow. So sick. Muy bonita. Or bonito. Or bonito.
It's crazy. Crazy. Yeah.
Bro. I hit false neutral. That was scary. Holy crap, it's beautiful. Is this it or no?
I don't know where the spot is.
Ah. Yo, look at this trail, bro. Bro, this is such a crazy trail to our Airbnb. Like, what the hell?
Everybody rode fucking sick.
Ah, let's go. We did that shit.
Halfway up, I was like, fuck, what if there's someone coming down? At that point, I was just like,
Fuck it.
I'm in.
Oh boy. Oh, there's someone coming. Hola. That bitch locked, bro. Oh, no, it's not. Can y'all fit through? Until next time. Peace.